In Ubud, Bali, this luxurious design villa blends seamlessly into the stunning landscapes of rice fields and jungle, opening itself to the elements to create a living space almost in harmony with the natural environment. Located within a private compound, the villa draws inspiration from its lush surroundings. BAMM architects were inspired by the landscape, creating a structure that recalls the local vernacular elements while adding a modern aesthetic. The property consists of two distinct structures, with an open pavilion alongside a more contemporary building. The pavilion, designed for communal living and entertaining guests, houses the living room, dining area, kitchen, and utility spaces, embracing the outdoors with its open-sided layout. The entire pavilion's flooring is made of gray coir halus, similar to grit. The roof structure features vertical supports made of painted double T steel, while the beams are made of bankirai wood, a local wood. The entire roof structure is constructed with bankirai wood rafters and panels. The pavilion typology, open on all sides and covered by a pitched roof, allows daily living in close contact with nature and ensures constant air circulation, which is essential in a country with high temperatures. Highlights of this minimalist space include a large concrete shelf where big cushions are placed. Few walls delimit the functional spaces, and they never reach the roof. The view of the entire roof structure is never obstructed. A garden connects the two buildings, with stone walkways leading to a pool at the lower end of the property. Accessed by a short stone staircase, the pool is located near the edge of the garden and a dramatic slope, offering a serene vantage point over the jungle and creek below. In contrast to the openness of the pavilion, the secondary building is more private. The elongated structure, built with local stone masonry, houses a studio, the master bedroom and bathrooms, where outdoor showers surrounded by stones offer the opportunity to relax amidst nature.